Hi everyone, Richard here. There's a new unboxing that I want to do. This is a Cynova Osmo Action USB-C adapter for the mic in. So I finally got hold of this to be used on the Osmo Action. So let's do an unboxing and see how it looks like. Again, took some time for this to come out for Osmo Action, and we have been using the Osmo Action without the mic in. And this is Cynova brand, and that's the menu. This didn't come from DJI, it came from Cynova. So but it should work because many people have been using it. Let me get this open with. Oh, okay, stuck inside there. So there's nothing else, it's just foam, and this is how it looks like. And let's take off the wrapper. Okay, that's how it looks like, and it fits the original case. But let's look at it, how it looks like there here. And you have to take out the door cover, which is, you pull it out this way. I hope I don't break it because it's so easy to break if you pull it out wrongly. So that's the connector that you plug in this way, and there's a gap between. There you can see the gap there. So it's for the casing, and let me pull it out. And this is the original casing that you put in, and then you put this in as well. So it goes that way, and you can still charge here, power up here, and as well as the mic in will be here. And the other case that I have, which is the Telecint metal case, which has a 52 mm filter adapter ring here. So again, thankfully when I bought this wasn't out yet, but thankfully it worked. It is the right size and it fits nicely, so I don't have to buy a new case. So we'll try this out, and you do have to note that this uses a different type of mic in jack, which is meant for cameras and audios, not for handphones. And I'll show you then. Okay, here we have it. This is for cameras and the DJI Osmo, and this is for your mobile phone. So you can see there's 3 rings here, and there's 2 rings. Normally this is what the audio people use. It is for mic in, 2 rings. It's easy to recognize. Always get the 2 ring if it's for cameras, and 3 rings for mobile phones. Okay, so this goes into here easily, and then you have the mic, lapel mic, that you can hook on to your your collar. Okay, it's easy how to see it works. The minute the mic is in, I hope you can see, the minute the mic is in, you can see there's a volume jack there. Let me go here. Okay, you see there's a volume mic level there, and when I speak on it, hello testing 1 2 3, you can see the mic level, and it goes up and down. If you remove this, just say you remove the adapter, the mic is gone, right? So, and if you use the wrong type of lavalier mic, you just have to take it out, and take the one that is the handphone, meant for the mobile phone, right? Let's see this. I plug this in. There would be no visual that it says it doesn't detect it. so there's no mic for that. So I have to take it out and then plug this back in, and then you get the mic level. You see the mic levels there. So that means it's working, right? On top of this, for cases like if I want to do wireless, so I got hold of this. Haha, you won't believe this. It's actually what they use for teaching. So it's a wireless 2.4G wireless mic that people use for teaching, for classes, as well as for tour guides. Okay, they put this into the so-called speakers, but by the way, it charged by itself. It has battery inside, and you don't have to carry around a lot of things. So what happened is, let's put this in and turn it on and see if it works, because, and you can see the mic jack is there. So let me testing 1 2 3. See, it works. So actually I accidentally got a hold of this and it actually worked for the Osmo. So I actually have a wireless solution using the so-called adapter here that I can put on a tripod and run around with this. But it looks weird with that thing sticking out. Maybe I'll just use the extension and cable and put it downwards. So it does work, and this is extremely cheap, seriously. You know, you don't have to buy a Rode mic if you don't have the budget. You just get one of these from online. I'll put in the links for all the things I've got. But this is a cheap solution for your Osmo Action wireless mic. Okay, so there you have it. Cynova adapter for your mic in and power, as well as the wireless mic for your Osmo Action. Hi, so I'm currently at the Creators Con, which is a very noisy place. It's going to be some events here, but at the same time, I'd like to try out this crazy mess of a cheap wireless system that I'm trying out. So I'm going to plug it into the Osmo Action, and we'll see how the audio goes. I'll switch over to this camera and we can test out the audio. So testing out this wireless 2.4G left mic. I hope you're getting the audio. Looks weird because I've got that thing sticking out to the back. But it's the cheapest wireless system you probably can get. So if you want to try this, maybe, I'm not sure, you take a look at it. I'll leave the link and you can check it out. Anyway, it's a good system if it's cheap. If it's cheap and works, that's my philosophy. Okay, bye. So I'll continue. I'll be at this Creators Con for the whole day, and Kai and Lok is here, very popular YouTubers and photographers from Hong Kong and UK. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.